Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about social life in Rajasthan, fairs and festivals, social customs and traditions, attires and ornaments. First, we will talk about fairs and festivals of Rajasthan. Rajasthan celebrates both religious and seasonal festivals, often marked by folk music, dance, processions, and community gatherings. First is religious festivals. We will talk about the festival and its description. Tej, celebrated by women during the monsoon to honor Parvati and Shiv, known for swing songs and green attire. Gangor, devoted to Gauri Parvati, young women pray for a good husband. Processions are held in Jaipur and Udaipur. Makar Sankranti, kite flying festival in Jaipur, also marks harvest. Diwali, festival of light celebrated with great enthusiasm in homes and temples. Holi, festival of colors in Barsana style at Pushkar and other towns. Karni Mata fair held at Deshnok, Bikaner, famous for its temple of sacred rats. Ramdevra Mela held at Ramdevra near Jaisalmer in honor of Baba Ramdev Ji. Goga Medi fair in memory of Goga Medi, Goga Ji, snake deity draws devotees from Haryana and Punjab. Now we will talk about cultural and seasonal fairs, fair, its location and the features. Pushkar fair, it is held in Pushkar Ajmer, world famous cattle and camel fair, religious rituals and folk performances. Desert festival Jaisalmer showcases Rajasthani folk culture, competitions and dances. Nagaur fair, Nagaur cattle trading, tug of war and folk wrestling. Baneshwar fair, Dungarpur tribal, celebrated by Bhils on confluence of rivers, mix of devotion and tribal culture. Now we'll talk about the social customs and traditions. Marriage customs, matchmaking through community elders or nayaks, elaborate rituals, Ganpati Stapna, Mehendi, Haldi, Barat, Saat Feras, Ghumar and other dances performed during marriage festivities. Dowry system and parda were traditionally practiced, though changing with time. Now, death and mourning. Cremation is common among Hindus, burial among Muslims and tribals. Rituals like Pindan and Pagri Rasam are important in mourning. Now, community life, strong joint family system and clan loyalties. Caste panchayats historically played a major role in dispute resolution and maintaining customs. Customs vary across caste and tribal groups. Example, Bhil, Meena, Garasia have distinct traditions. Now, traditional attires of Rajasthan. Rajasthani dress is colorful, designed for desert climate and rich in embroidery and mirror work. Women's attire item description: Ghagra, long pleated skirt, usually bright and embroidered. Choli, kanchli, short blouse, often black lace or with tie strings. Odni, dupatta, veil or scarf worn over head and shoulders used in ghungat. Bandage, bandhani, tie and dye fabric used in ghagras and odnis. Leheria, wave pattern fabric worn during Tej and Sawan. Then men's attire item description: Angrakha, kurta, long or short tunic, often of cotton. Dhoti, pajama, traditional lower garment. Pagdi, safa, turban style and color denote region, caste or occasion. Kamarband, waist belt, also decorative. Mojri, nagra, traditional leather footwear with embroidery. Now ornaments, jewelry. Jewelry is not just decorative but also cultural and symbolic, often denoting marital status, region, or caste. Now, women's ornaments. Ornaments, body part description: Borla, Rakdi, forehead, spherical mang, tika, nut, nose, large ring, often with chain. Bajuband, arm, armlet, kangan, wrist, bangles like ivory, metal, hath pulled hands, ring connected to bangles, pile ankles, silver anklets, bichwa, toes, worn by married women. Men's ornaments: Kada, bracelet, rings, earrings, and beaded necklaces, often worn by Rajput and tribal men as a symbol of pride and status. Conclusion: Rajasthan's social life is a colorful blend of rituals, festivals, clothing, and traditions that sustain its cultural identity. Despite modern influences, many traditional practices remain deeply embedded in daily life, especially in rural areas. Thank you.